right now on Fox 35 News at 10.
In the future, just leave your cash at home. What if you could make purchases by just using a special phone? We'll talk with an expert about how that technology might work.
New at 10, if you have an iPhone, you may soon be able to leave your wallet at home. Apple teaming up with Visa, MasterCard, and American Express to create a system allowing people to go into stores and pay for purchases using just their mobile device. So glad to have Tom Jelnick from OnTarget Web Solutions here to talk about this. Tom, let's make it clear this technology has been around. What's different about it this time?
Well, the real exciting news about this, Sonny, you've probably heard about all these recent hacks with magnetic strip cards, etc. So Visa, MasterCard, and Amex are really trying to get kind of the public to embrace a new way of checking out with transactions. So like you said, the technology has been around. It's just really starting to be embraced and kind of essentially dictated by these three companies to be used.
So you just walk up, you hand the cashier your cell phone, you scan it at the machine. How would it work?
Right, so there's a chip that's embedded in these new machines, the iPhone 6, which should be coming out mid-September, early September. But bottom line, this little chip communicates with another chip on another device, and it exchanges information and data that way. It's supposed to be a lot safer.
Okay, you know what I'm thinking, though, that's not safe? The amount of times, the number of times that I and so many people I know lose or misplace their phones. What about the safety component of this? If you left your phone somewhere, can, you know, Joe Schmo take it and go crazy shopping?
That's a great question, and it was the first thing I thought of, too. So, you know, one of the things iPhone has built into their phones, and even Galaxy, is a thumbnail scanner. So it'll actually take your fingerprint, and that would allow you to get into the phone. So essentially, that can lock other people out of it.
Oh, interesting. So Apple will make sure that their software is protective before you even get into that particular app or that particular use.
Absolutely, because phones are going to get stolen, and it's, you know, it's a matter of who can access the thing and who can unlock it. So now they're really switching a lot to these thumbnail scanners, etc.
Sure, interesting. Okay, so when do you think this actually hits the market? When will we be using this technology?
Well, there's been a lot of talk about it over the last year or two. In fact, I know we've been here talking about it in the past. But I think, like I said, I think Visa, MasterCard, and Amex are really trying to push this into 2015 so that these magnetic strip cards start to go by the wayside. So I think you'll see a lot more people embracing this, a lot more cell phone companies using this in probably about a year or so.
Interesting. We'll bring you back then to talk more about it, Tom.
Looking forward to it. Thank you.